I got some new blue light blocking glasses from Livho. Packaging is nice. Case included and a little checklist, which we'll check that out in a second. Also a little cleaning rag. Really impressed with these glasses. Number one, they're affordable. But number two, I guarantee you they're actually doing what they're supposed to do because we can actually check it. So let's first look at the glasses and then let's do that check. All right, so they fit me nicely, not too snug, not tight around the side of the head, just very classy look. So I'm happy with the glasses. All right, this is the testing sheet. So if you shine blue light on this testing sheet, it's just gonna turn dark. And so let's do that real quick just to show you how that works. So that means this sheet is actually receiving blue light, and you can see how quickly it turned dark. And then I'll give it just a minute to fade. But then what we'll do is we'll put the glasses up against it and we will shoot through the lens. And if it does not turn dark, that means it's blocking the blue light. See how that works? All right, so let's lay this down right there and let's do some shining. So it should darken between the nose piece, but not on the paper under the lens. There you go. See there? That's it. So you're looking at blue light glasses like this for a reason, because we need to block that. If you're like me and you sit under fluorescent lights all day long, it's kind of fatiguing on the eyes, and it really makes a difference. And so these are absolutely doing the trick. They're super affordable. I did reach out to this company and just ask them, hey, would you send me a pair of glasses? Because I do a bunch of reviews like this. And because I do spend 5-6 hours a day underneath blue light or underneath fluorescent lights, I just kind of wanted it to see if they actually worked. And as you can see, it actually works. So what I find is that my eyes just don't get as tired. And I like that. So that's what they look like on me. I'm happy with them. So hope that helps. Good glasses.